In this video, we will show you how to repair corrupt Outlook PST and migrate to Office 365 or Microsoft 365. We will use the Stellar Repair for Outlook Technician software, which is a powerful tool that can recover corrupt PST files and export them to Office 365. I have shared the page link in the description below. Download the software from the link. What's great about this tool is that it can recover large corrupted PST files and retrieve deleted items as well. Allow me to guide you through the steps of repairing a corrupt PST file using this software. To begin, open the software. You can use the List Profiles option. The tool's powerful algorithm will automatically list down all the PST files on the system. Alternatively, you can manually browse and select the location of your PST file. After selecting the PST file, click on Repair. The software will initiate the scanning and repairing process simultaneously. Once it's done, it will display a preview of the repaired files. Now, click OK. You can utilize the Save Scan option to store the scan and resume it later using the Load Scan feature if you have a large file and the scanning process takes a while. Select the data you wish to restore and click on the Save Repaired File option in the Home menu. You will find several available saving options, including Save the data as PST format, Export to existing profile, Export to Office 365, and Export to Live Exchange. Before you begin exporting the PST file to Office 365, make sure to set up your Microsoft 365 account in the MS Outlook application. Now select Export to Microsoft 365 option. Click on Next. Select the profile in which you want to migrate mailbox. In order to recover your lost or deleted emails, you can select the option Recover Deleted Items. You may also use advanced filters as per your requirement. Click on OK. Once the data is exported, it will confirm data successfully exported to Microsoft 365. Click on OK. Open your Office 365 account to view all the recovered mailbox data. Thanks for watching.